Hello viewers, I am Suhas Rautu from India, Pune. Last 22 years I am inventing some gravitational force, some mechanism, and I have invented that is gravity engine that is working on gravitational force. So this mechanism can be utilized in various types of industries where energy is required. You can utilize that gravitational energy in various types of functions. So this is my gravitational engine. You can take a look. It works on gravity. Now the engine contains of a plain disc. On that disc, 120 degree each, I have placed an arm called a pendulum, and it has got equal weight on each side. This is the balancing stage. Now I have to imbalance the thing and then get the output. So I will show you how it works. So first I have to apply the brake for the disc. Now I am giving input energy to the arm to lift the arm, and now I release the brake, so it will give the output energy. So imbalanced and balanced, this is the stage, this is the one cycle. I have made the latest version to improve the weight, improve the system. I added the weight on one side, one arm. So now this is imbalance stage. Total engine is now on imbalance stage. So now this is imbalance stage. Now again I am putting some energy to the one arm, and so it will produce more energy because of this weight. The output will be more. So this output comes because of the free fall angular jerk, and that jerk is very tremendous. This jerk can be used for the energy generation like electricity to rotate the generator, and various kind of industrial applications like beam engine and launching application. Now and further, my friend Mr. Vidyasagar will explain you this machine betterly. He is the technical person.
Hello viewers, myself Vidyasagar. So as we already saw, whenever there is an imbalance condition to the balance condition, there is an enormous force of energy, correct? So this energy can be used for various applications. One of the application is the energy generation. Say this angular jerk is there, this angular jerk can be connected to some conversion mechanism and then further connected to the flywheel. So thereby we are getting continuous rotation. So that can be used for the electricity generation. That is one application. Second application is say in some manufacturing procedures we require a ramming operations where enormous amount of energy is required to do the ramming operations. At that time you can connect this thing to the rammers to use it in such kind of machines. Third thing is this can be also used for the launching operations. Many people may believe that this is a perpetual motion or perpetual machine. Frankly speaking, this is not perpetual machine. Why? For example, to operate this machine, every time you are giving some input energy in terms of a brake force, in terms of a lifting energy, then only the system will give the output energy in terms of a gravitational acceleration. This is similar to any other energy systems which also require some input energy to work. So for this, similar to like solar, in solar we have some other panels or any structures to harness the solar energy. In general engines we give the chemical energy. So similar to this, here we have a working where we give the mechanical energy to make this unsteady, thereby gravitational force will act on this, thereby we are getting some output energy. So that's why this is not a perpetual machine. Here for every cycle of operation there is a requirement of the input energy.
I applied for the gravitational engine for the patent, and in 2020 I am looking forward for companies, institutions, private persons to join hand with me to make the commercial product. If you are researchers, students, you can join hand with me. You can work on formulas, simulation studies and similar aspects to develop this engine. Like solar energy, we can produce electricity by using this gravitational energy and the gravitational energy is available for 24/7 throughout the world. This is non-conventional energy, green energy, zero carbon emission, and friendly for the environment. If you are okay with this, committed to create a technology revolution, my contacts are given below. You can contact me.
I hope you understood the technology. We challenge the technical expert to prove that the output energy from the technology is more than the input energy and this technology can work, as claimed by Mr. Rao too.